Good morning, students. In our last class, we have started the lesson Telangana, the pride of the people. So, in that lesson, we have seen that uh, in that part they were explaining about the great sacrifices, about the people, about the great people who has sacrificed their life for Telangana, and also we have seen about the regional festivals like this one Bonalu. So how they will be doing that festival, and what there is means also we have seen about the difference in our language Telangana Telugu. That is, it is a variant of Telugu and it doesn't have any recognition. So after the Telangana state, we have our own identity, isn't it? Till there we have seen. So today we'll be continuing the remaining part. If you see in your textbook, Indu asked, Mom, what about Batukamma? So Indu was asking her mother, then you were explaining about Bonalu. Then what about Batukamma? Then Batukamma festival is celebrated as part of Dasara. The festival has historical and religious significance. Women carry Batukamma beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu, and Chamanti flowers to the meeting points, making circles around Batukamma. Women folk sing songs related to our culture. Later, the Batukamma are taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Lakshmi said. So, who is Lakshmi here? She is the mother of Indu and Kiran, isn't it? So, and what is the name of their father? Hari. So, here Indu is asking her mother that you were explaining about Bonalu, how they will be performing that festival by preparing food, what they called as that gattam, and how and they offer rice cooked with jaggery and milk. All that they will be uh, carrying in a pot decorated very nicely, and they'll be going in a procession, and they offer it to goddess, regional local goddess. So that we have seen about Bonalu. So here then this girl Indu is asking her mother, okay, you have explained about it, and tell me about Batukamma festival. So generally when we will celebrate this festival is before the festival, before what, before the festival Dasara will be celebrating Batukamma. So see here, Batukamma festival is celebrated as part of Dasra. So this Batukamma is a part of Dasra festival. So the festival has historical and religious significance. Significance means importance. So what this festival has historical means it has a history as well as a religious importance for Batukamma. So what they will do, women carry Batukamma. Actually, what is Batukamma? If you see here in the image also, you can see flowers are arranged in an order, in a neat way, isn't it? So they are, but there is a differences in their sizes. So women carry Batukamma beautifully stacked. So stacked means arranged with which type of flowers they will make this Batukamma? Tangedu, Gunugu and Chamanti flowers. So see here, women carry Batukamma beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu and Chamanti flowers to the meeting points. And means after making this Batukamma, everyone will gather in one place. They will carry their Batukamma to that particular point, and you can see here in the image they will be keeping all the Batukammas like this in one place, and after keeping them together in a place, what they will do, making circles around Batkamma. Around this Batkamma, this woman will make a circle, and what they will do, they sing songs related to our culture. And after that, later the Batukama are taken to the local tanks. After making circles round the Batukama and singing the songs related to our culture, they carry that Batukama to the local tank and streams to be immersed. Immersed means to put into water. So like this they will perform. So Lakshmi was explaining to her daughter how this Batukama festival will be. Next, see here, what is Moharram? Kiran asked. So Kiran is the brother of Indu. So Kiran was asking, okay, you said about Bonalu and Batukama, then what is Moharram? Then see, Moharram is celebrated in many parts of our state. It is the symbol of religious tolerance. During this, the Pirlu are kept in village points. The Pirlu are immersed in the local lakes and tanks. Indeed, our festivals and art forms symbolize our culture. They are related in our lifestyle, said Hari. So, his father, Kiran's father, was explaining about Moharram. So what he is telling, Moharram is celebrated in many parts of our state. So in many parts of our Telangana will be celebrating Moharram, and this festival is the symbol of religious tolerance, means accepting the feelings of all religions. So during this, what they will do during this Moharram, Pirlu are kept in village points, and the Pirlu are immersed. So as these Pirlu has kept in one point, in a particular point in a village, after keeping there, they will take these Pirlu and they immerse means, I told you what is immerse, to put into water. They will take them and they put in water, where in local lakes or tanks. Indeed, our festivals are our festivals and art forms symbolize our culture. So what Hari is telling is, whatever the festivals and whatever the art forms are there in Telangana, they symbolize, means they represent our culture. They are reflected in our lifestyle. So Hari is telling that whatever the festivals or art forms, whatever are there, they symbolize our culture, and even it is reflected in our lifestyle. Our sarees are famous worldwide, said Lakshmi. The sarees of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. Our weavers of Siricilla produce sarees that fit in a matchbox. The wooden toys of Nirmal steal the hearts of everyone. So, what is Lakshmi telling here? Our sarees are also famous in the whole world. This means worldwide, means whole world. Our sarees are also famous. The sarees of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. So even you may don't have idea about this, but your parents, your mothers are well known about these types of sarees. These sarees are very famous actually. Sarees of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet, they have a very popular for their attractive patterns, means these three area sarees are very attractive and they are very unique patterns. So our weavers of Siricilla, weavers means one who makes cloth. So our weavers of Siricilla, what they do, they produce a sari that fit in a matchbox. Is it possible to fold a sari and keep in a matchbox? Means, can we fold a sari to the size of a matchbox? No. But actually, these weavers can produce a sari that fit in a matchbox. So, that much, what you say, that much learnt weavers they are actually. So the wooden toys of Nirmal, even the toys which we play made of wood, they are of Nirmal. These Nirmal toys steal the hearts of everyone. Here there is in the picture, see these wooden toys, these are from Nirmal, and these are the weavers, how they make the cloth. So all this make our state great, said Indu. So by listening the words of her mother, Indu was telling that all these things make our state great. And I hope you have understood the story till here. Here are some hard words. Batukamma, festival, celebrated, historical, religious, significance, beautifully, starked, culture, immersed, Moharam, tolerance, symbolize, reflected, Pochampalli, attractive. And your home assignment is write hard words in your notebooks. So students, I have given you hard words neatly. I want you to write them without any spelling mistakes, and I want you to send me in time. We'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.